Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to clear Play Store search history, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear your Google Play Store search history on your phone, first open up your Play Store app, and after opening your Play Store app, guys, you'll be on this interface where at the top right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to tap on the settings option at the bottom of the screen over here, just above the help and feedback. Tap on settings and you land over here where you can see the general option over here. Tap on the general option at the top of the screen, and again tap on the account and device preferences. And then this menu appears, tap on it and you land over here. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the screen, you can see there it says the clear device search history. Now in order to clear your Google Play Store search history on your phone, tap on device search history, and this kind of box will appear where you'll be again required to tap on the clear search history, and then your Play Store or your Google Play Store's search history will be cleared out. And that being said, guys, this is how to clear search history on Google Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.